How can you earn more than $2,000 on a daily basis from a smart contract? Hello, I'm here to guide you on how to earn passive income from the Smart Binance Pro project and its smart bank, which has recently attracted a lot of attention. One of the main reasons for the popularity of this project is that people of all skill levels and backgrounds can quickly grow and start earning here. The smart contract is stored and executed on the official Binance Coin blockchain, BNB. So we enter the BNB blockchain website to catch a glimpse. To check out any of the project, you naturally need to enter its address in the search bar here. Now we are on the Smart Binance Pro project page. The first thing that catches our attention is a fun box that has an interesting mechanism, which we will discuss later. Therefore, the good news is that there is no person or board of directors who can change or determine the contract's functions. This means that the contract will operate automatically and indefinitely, with all ownership rights belonging to the users. The first thing that catches our attention is a fun box that has an interesting mechanism, which we will discuss later. You are dealing with a smart contract where all events and executions are automated based on its initial instructions. Therefore, the good news is that there is no person or board of directors who can change or determine the contract's functions. This means that the contract will operate automatically and indefinitely, with all ownership rights belonging to the users. Thus, based on your performance and activity, you can experience a good income permanently. If you're ready, let's move on to how to engage with this contract. Like many projects, airdrops, and various tokens in the blockchain, the smart contract aims to provide attractive services to users so that more people become familiar with its offerings and activate this contract on their wallets. The larger the customer base, the higher the stock value. In blockchain technology, to use a contract's services, you first need to activate it on your digital wallet. Your wallet essentially acts as your ID in smart contracts. Even if you've worked with airdrops, you know that to convert collected tokens into real money, the airdrop requires you to connect your wallet first. Therefore, the first step to entering Smart Binance is to install a digital wallet. After installing the wallet, you can connect this contract to it by paying just $100 and enjoy its services forever. By activating this contract on your wallet, you will have 4 options available to you. Option 1, and this is the most important, but I won't explain about it now. Stay tuned for the end of this video where we will discuss it in detail. Now we start with Option 2, which is the guarantee. In fact, this contract guarantees your income and states that if you don't earn, you can use the guarantee to get your money back. To use the guarantee, an individual can participate in $5 lotteries for an unlimited number of times each day and win up to 18 times, meaning they can receive a maximum of $90. When participating in these lotteries, you need to correctly guess 3 numbers from the choices of 1, 2, and 3. If you guess correctly, you win. Option 3. Congratulations, you have become a shareholder in the world's first fully decentralized bank. Yes, you heard it right. This contract is the first decentralized banking ecosystem in the world. Imagine entering a bank with no staff, where all services are provided automatically and intelligently, such as decentralized lending and interest-bearing deposits. Now, how much equity do you receive from this bank? At least 300 units. Of course, you can later increase your shares, but don't worry, you don't need to pay to increase your shares. In this contract, you are dealing with a decentralized system, meaning a system that has no decision maker or CEO, a system that is not controlled and whose owners are the people themselves. These are often referred to as community-driven systems, or DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. Thus, all financial transactions in this contract will benefit users. Based on the details of the contract, the more you earn, the more shares you receive. Option 4. You will receive free support and training for about 1 to 1.5 years, including training on how to create a digital wallet, identity verification in online exchanges, and converting currencies to local currency, etc. Normally, these courses might cost you in any part of the world, but in these types of businesses, since teamwork is involved, you can benefit from these advantages for free. And how do we earn money? Every project on the blockchain naturally wants to be talked about. And you could say that the credibility of these projects depend on the number of users who, after entering the blockchain and creating a wallet, seek their services. For instance, imagine an Instagram page that offers services. What do you think the credibility or income of such a page depends on? Surely the credibility of a page is based on its number of followers. The owner of the page can use various methods to promote it and increase its followers. In blockchain also, smart contracts compete with each other, and this competition is based on the number of users. However, as their name suggests, these contracts are programmed to be executed automatically from day one. Therefore, they do not have a board of directors to handle marketing or, for example, arrange television advertisements. So in order to expand, they need developers, and therefore here, we can be developers in addition to being shareholders. In fact, the more impact you have on the growth of smart contracts, the better income you can experience. Now let's get to the main point. If you remember, I showed you the contract fund at the beginning of the video. All financial inputs from user registrations are collected in this fund at any moment. And since this fund does not have a specific owner or employee claiming a share for themselves, the entire budget of the fund box is emptied every hour, and the accumulated amounts are distributed as rewards and services to the users. The fund is divided into two main parts every hour, 90% and 10%. 90% of the fund's volume is distributed every hour among developers who during that hour had a direct or indirect impact on the project's growth, meaning those who earn points. It can be said that each point is worth, on average, between $15 to $30. The remaining 10% of the fund's volume is allocated every hour to developers who have registered but not yet earned points. This contract uses an attractive system to quickly increase the number of users or wallets. In fact, for every registered developer, it grants 2 licenses so that they can connect 2 additional wallets to this contract. Keep in mind that this license is only for connecting 2 wallets and not more. Now let's see how points are calculated and commissions are paid every hour. For example, let's assume this purple wallet registered today, and now it wants to add 2 more wallets to this contract. As you can see, in this case, 1 wallet on the right and 1 wallet on the left have been activated after the purple wallet with its help. Now, since it had an impact on the project's growth, therefore it earns 1 point, meaning that at the end of this hourly period, along with the determination of the value of each point, its commission will be deposited into its wallet. Now let's look at your indirect impact on the project's growth. The conditions for the purple wallet apply to the 2 green wallets as well. Naturally, the next 2 individuals who connected their wallets to the contract now want to earn points and add 2 more wallets to this contract. When they do so, they also earn 1 point and receive a commission for the advertising they did. However, in this case, 4 new wallets have been added to the purple wallet's collection, meaning 2 new registrations, so it also earns 2 points. In this way, the collection of wallets grows and income increases. In fact, through your follow-up and training, you may reach a point where you might not even know who in the world is giving their licenses to whom and which wallet is registering. But every time you log into your wallet, you will see that your commission is being deposited for you. Thus, every day or every hour that your collection of wallets is increasing, you receive commissions. And now a few additional and remarkable points about this project. Point 1. According to the formula and clauses of the contract, the backing of the token, or the project's shares, is increasing every hour. But how? 10% of the income from senior developers, those who have received more than 100 points, in every hourly period is injected into the stock backing fund, increasing the value of shares for all users, and this process will continue permanently. Point 2. How many points can each developer earn? According to this clause, a developer can earn 5 points every hour. Additionally, if more than 5 points have been released for them, the excess points will be distributed between themselves and all developers who earned points during that hour. This means ultimate fairness and equality. where the extra income of professional and successful individuals goes to those who have earned fewer points. For this reason, it can be said that this system is not just designed for professionals or experienced individuals. Rather, people from all walks of life, regardless of their level of education or skill, can earn incredible incomes alongside successful individuals with their help. To gain a better understanding of the networking and development process of this contract, take a look at this table. This table considers that the value of each point is $25 and that choosing 2 good business partners might take you 1 month. If those 2 individuals also need a month to choose their own partners, and this process continues in your team, by the 11th month, you would have approximately 2,000 members and have received over $25,000 in commissions. Now you know why work here is done as a team. Why did your supporter send you this video? And why will you be part of a team? It's all to help you accelerate your growth and achieve income faster than the 1-month growth hypothesis, allowing you to reach financial success in this project sooner. This ecosystem has currently gained a lot of attention from developers and is growing every moment. You have the opportunity to join this project as soon as possible and experience good income alongside thousands of others. Thank you very much for staying with us until the end of the video.